Good morning, everyone. It's currently like 9:30. We'll be cleaning my room top to bottom, like my room and the bathroom. Yeah. To just reset for the new school year and for the new week because it's Sunday. That's it. I'll see you guys. I won't be talking anymore. I will start cleaning and it'll just be a time lapse, okay?
Conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe a little like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Kamura, and today you're gonna get ready with me because I'm actually about to go with my friend to the gym and do some other stuff. But anyways, I just wanted to sit here and talk with you guys while I get ready so that I can catch you guys up a little bit. I actually have to hurry up, but I just really wanted to talk to you guys while I got ready. I don't even know what to say. Like, where have I been? Let's start there. So basically, the summer started. I thought I was gonna have a lot more time to, you know, record videos and stuff, but for the summer, I actually ended up getting a second job, starting school early, and there's just a lot that I was doing, and I just didn't have time for YouTube. Like, I thought about filming, I thought about like literally everything I could have been doing, but I just didn't end up doing it. So, but yeah, I just spent a lot of time not relaxing. I wasn't relaxing, but I did definitely take a break from YouTube for a good reason. While I was gone, I did buy an iPad. I've definitely always wanted an iPad or a MacBook or something, and so I bought the iPad. I will insert my little unboxing video. It wasn't the best unboxing video, but it was something. So something is better than nothing, because I was really tired that day and the iPad came and I was like, fuck, I'm just gonna open it. I'm just doing my makeup all out of order. But yeah, I didn't have like a lot of time. I'll just say that. See, I'm literally doing my makeup so out of order right now.
I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
Good for the soul.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
But I do want to say, like, I did miss you guys a lot, and I'm happy to be back. Let's make the rest of 2023 like a good year, a good productive year. I feel pretty now. Oh my god. You guys like my hair? I just did it. I braided it or whatever. In the meantime of me getting my friend and all of that, how about you guys watch my iPad unboxing and tell me what you think I could add to it, or if you want to see iPad videos, or like what, like just let me know. I'll see you guys when I pick up my friend.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime, it's not going well, huh? Need some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell.
Hey guys, we're in. Where are we at? I was about to say Target. Kohl's. Okay, apparently we're in Kohl's. Apparently. Wanna say hi? Stop walking so you can say hi.
Oh, my bad. I'm trying to do this. Hi. Hi, I'm Micaiah. I'm Kayla's friend.
That's all she had to say.
You get 10%
Apparently I
off
owe-
Kohl's is for.
Apparently I owe Micaiah $8.
Apparently, you do. What are you talking about?
Apparently. Apparently
Apparently is what?
apparently we in Kohl's right now. Why do I look good?
Why do you keep saying apparently?
She said that mannequin is gonna be me. Why am I pregnant?
That's what's gonna happen when you're pregnant.
Okay, why do I look cute?
That's what's gonna happen when you're pregnant.
So we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A, right? Where my food? You cold. You the one put that hair on.
Because it's hot as shit.
We doing the mukbang. We went to Chick-fil-A. Because you can't be cussing on YouTube. You gonna mess up my stuff. You gonna get me goddamn flagged.
Goddamn, you're gonna get yourself flagged.
We gotta do ASMR. I want something. Hold on.
I want some.
All the cops here.
Who covers? Where? Oh.
Why my meat skinny? Why is skinny? They just put a chicken tender on my shit.
Hi, how are you?
You can tell them about yourself.
I don't know what to say.
Tell them about yourself.
I am a licensed female.
Why they need to know that? So we at the damn Walmart.
Poofy.
I do like that smell.
I like that. Hazelnut cream smells good.
We're looking at
I might get this.
candles. Oh, candles. Let me smell this ice caramel macchiato. Oh, that smells like coffee. Pumpkin. I want a top though.
Ooh, that's good.
Let me get a top because I don't have any fall type.
I got Christmas.
On to the next part of this video. I want to do a little bit of a haul with you guys and then finish the video off with me, you know, setting my stuff up for school. Let's start with the haul first. First things first was this cute little water bottle from Target. It's pink. Right now, this is my favorite shade of pink. Like this exact pink is my favorite shade. It was another cup. This is just a glass cup from Target as well. It's super cute. It opens, it closes. Like, what more do I need? Like, this is a cup for studying. Like, this is what I need. This next thing wasn't necessarily for school, but just in general because I thought I needed this one thing, and that is the Sony XM4s, these beautiful headphones. But here they are so pretty and like they work so good. So I got two candles, this first one being pumpkin spice because that's, yeah, never had a candle that represents, you know, fall and like spookiness and all that. So next candle I got is from Better Homes, also Walmart, and it is white peach. Next thing I got, let me open her, is this cute little keychain from Amazon. This one's actually for school. Everything else kind of isn't. It's this little mesh pencil case. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, it's my little bag. Super cute. Whatever. Little pencil grips for my Apple Pencil. So I'm gonna put on, let's just put the white one on, right? Next thing I got, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is my little notepad. Let's open her. So this is what I have currently for my iPad. Just, you know, nothing crazy. I put a little sticker on there. We'll get to those later, but this is a Hello Kitty sticker. Hey, look, it's so freaking cute. It literally reminds me of the composition. No, but I might even write my name here because it reminds me so much. And because I have an Apple Pencil, it does have a little space. So yeah, next thing I got was a stand that my iPad was currently sitting on. So I just use it like this, you know, on my desk. The last thing that I got, or one of the last things I got, was this phone case for my phone. Same pink, you know, as everybody wants it. I feel like this is gonna get dirty really quickly, but yeah, this is the case. I can't put it on because I'm recording on my phone. Okay, so I'm back. This is what I came up with. I know it's not like the best or like the most aesthetically pleasing, but this is, I don't know, these are the stickers that I really liked, and I decided to put them on kind of randomly, just kind of fill it out. I'm still debating on whether or not I'm gonna put my name right here, but if I do, I'm gonna need a marker and not a pen, and all I have is pens. So I'm gonna clean up my desk, and then we can start trying to set up my notepads. And yeah, give me 1 second.
Mrs. I got things on some